my name is Turaab and welcome to Turmia's World. Today we're gonna be making a unicorn out of Legos. So without further hesitation, let's get right into it. These are the pieces that we need. Starting from over here and ending over here. So here's the first piece that you need. Next, you're gonna get these two pieces. It has two dots and it's curved on the sides. And also the two pieces, and this piece has two holes. You're gonna put that on the top, right over here, like that. Now, next you're gonna take these big bridge pieces, and you're gonna put them right there, right next to each other. So it should be like that. Next, you are gonna be making the body. So we're gonna have this three-piecer, and we're gonna have this two dot piece, and it's curved. Then you're gonna put that right over there. Now you're gonna put this piece with the one dot over here. Now we're gonna be building the head of the unicorn. So we have this also. It's the same piece that you put over here, and you're gonna put it right there. Next, you're gonna take this unicorn horn, and you're gonna put it right in one of the holes. Next, you're gonna take this pink piece with one dot, and you're gonna put the eyes right over there on the side. Now you're gonna put that over there. So now we're gonna take this 2-1 piece that we put over here and put it right over there. Now we're gonna be building the hair of the unicorn. I'm not really a unicorn fan, so yeah. And put it right there. So it should be like that. Next, you're gonna do the same piece with yellow. So this will be slanted. This is like curved in blue. And then you're gonna do the same thing over there. But before you put it on, you're gonna take this curvy piece, and then you're gonna put it right there. Now you're gonna attach it on right there. Okay, so here's your unicorn. So I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, like this video, and share with a friend. Bye. See you later on Turmia.